Okay, so start off with this bell thing. I mean, typically you'd want to start with a loop from a 16-year-old loop maker that lives in either Germany or the Netherlands, but right now we're going to do it from scratch. Layer some more bells. Then layer this guitar sound underneath all of that. This melody is pretty much just a Frankenstein's monster of modern guitar style internet money and 2017-18 Nick Mirror tutorial beats. Oh yeah, and slow it down for the last half. Now this shaker style hi-hat with a couple fast rolls and some lower notes. Chuck the 2016 clap in there. And finish off the drums with a Nick Mirror 808 and a kick following that same pattern. Add some transitions and automation, and here's what it should sound like.